If you want to know an easy way to add vinyl to a ceramic mug, keep on watching. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashleigh here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey! Make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. So if you're not new, you'll see that your girl got some hair in, yes, for the new year. So I definitely was gonna put this video up next week, but I was like, nah, I'll just put it up this week. So with that being said, this video today is going to be a super kind of easy DIY. I'm pretty sure you guys might have done this before, but I'm just going to show you a simple way that I have found to do this and get it done very easily without the stress. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to apply vinyl decal to your ceramic coffee mug. So yeah, this should be a really quick and easy, simple DIY. So let's get started. Okay, so for our first mug, we are going to be using this vinyl decal that I got from Micheals. It was in the clearance section and I legit paid like 37 cents for it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean off the portion of the mug that I'm going to be placing the decal on. And basically what you're gonna do with this decal is you are going to peel it off from the back, and then you're going to take that and put it on to your mug. Now this decal gave me a little bit of problems because it was like stuck to the back and not the front. So I just had to like really carefully take it off, and then after that I placed it on, and it was easy to put it on and peel it off. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to add on an iron-on design. This is a Cricut iron-on design, so if you don't have an easy press, I'm just going to show you how you can use it with your household iron. And any decal that you want to use that's iron-on to put on a ceramic mug, I'm just going to show you an easy way to do that. So the first way, I'm going to show you how I did it, which messed up, which is by the instructions. So I'm going to cut out this decal and I'm going to make sure that it is centered onto my mug. So after I make sure it's nice and centered, I'm just going to take a piece of paper towel and I'm going to place it on top. Then making sure my iron is on the cotton setting, I'm going to press over that area to make sure I get it nice and heated up. And then I'm going to take the decal, place it back on top, and press each section for 50 seconds. So as you can see, it's like really warping the decal and it's messing up the lettering, and it's just looking really bad. It's really hard for me to kind of peel it off, and this method was just not working for me. So I'm going to show you guys an easier way to do this so it will peel off and stick very easily. Okay, so for this next method, you're going to want to boil you some water. So I'm going to be using the Cosori electric kettle, which is a 1.8 quart double walled stainless steel water boiler. I'm going to make sure that I pour it to the max level, which is marked in the inside. Then I'm going to place it onto my stand and I'm going to press that button on this side and I'm going to let it do its magic. So this is going to boil your water for approximately 5 minutes. And then you're going to hear this lovely sound. And your water is going to be nice and boiled, and then that blue light is going to click off. So now I'm just going to take my Cosori and I'm going to take it off the stand, and let me just show you. You can already see it, but the steam is coming up because this water is so hot. This thing works some wonders. So now before we pour it into our other mug, I'm just going to make me a quick cup of cocoa to have on the side of me while I'm making my other mug. Totally not drinking this right now because it is extremely hot, but I'm just doing it for the effects of the video. So now I'm going to take that water and I'm going to pour it into this mug, and you're going to let it sit for about a minute. You probably don't even have to let it sit for a minute because the water is extremely hot, and you're just going to let it gradually heat up your ceramic mug. So while it is doing that, I'm just going to take my alcohol and I'm going to prep that area that we are going to be adding our decal on, making sure there's no oils or anything on there. Then I'm going to place my decal on top of that, and I'm going to do that same thing that I did before, pressing the certain areas to make sure that it is adhering to our mug. And when you do it this way, I promise you it's gonna be 10 times easier. Like as soon as you start to take your iron and go over that decal, you're gonna see the clear portions of it just lift up, and it's just going to be a breeze adding this to the mug. So the last step, I'm just gonna take my alcohol again and just kind of go around it, cleaning it up a little bit, and then your mug, it will be all nice and finished. All right, so that's the end of the video, and I hope you learned an easier way to add a vinyl decal onto your coffee mug. So you've made it to the end, kudos to you, and the surprise that I have is another giveaway. So this giveaway, I teamed up with Cosori, and we are going to be giving away one of the electric kettles that I showed you in my video. So to be entered in the giveaway, you just have to do 4 simple steps. First thing is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Number 2, make sure you click on that thumbs up button. Number 3, make sure you leave me a comment down below with a coffee mug. And number 4, there's going to be a giveaway link in my description box. All you have to do is click on that link, put your name and your email address, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. This giveaway is gonna last for 15 days. I honestly don't know what the date is 15 days from today, so I'm gonna have that linked. I'm gonna have it down here below. And also, this is only gonna be eligible if you are in the United States and Canada. So for this giveaway, I'm actually gonna do a video for the giveaway winner like I normally do. But the last giveaway, I just tried to do it where I did on the community tab, but I didn't get that many responses. So I'm actually gonna put those giveaway winners, I'm gonna have them here on the screen at the end, and I'm also gonna have it down below in my description. So make sure you check it out and get with me. So that is the end of the video, and I will see you guys next year. Bye.